Finding link in bio is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to find the link in a bio, the first example we're going to use is our own bio. You can see that once you go to your homepage, you can see the link in the bio, and once you click on it, you can see the links here. Now, let's look for another profile to find the link in bio for. Now, once we click on this profile, they do not have a link in their bio. Let's look for another account with a link in their bio. Let's try FL Studio. Now you can see FL Studio has a link in their bio. It says the fastest way from your brain to your speakers, and once you click on the link on the bio, it's gonna link to their destination. Now that's how to find link in bio on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.